Joe and I are here at Magic Kingdom, and we got a Constance wedding cake. We each got one, so we're both going to test drive it because I didn't want to share, and that's the way it goes. Although I'll take that back, I'll share the axe. He can have it because I'm allergic to chocolate. You want to go ahead and test drive one of those? I'm going to take mine away from you, so you can't possibly try it.
Nice little chocolate axe. Let me ask you a question.
That was Gary's joke.
Oh, yeah. Good sweet chocolate.
Look, the bird's saying, if you drop that, buddy, it's mine. Oh, he's like, oh, you dropped that popcorn, thank you.
I'll break it up.
Delicious.
The bird great.
All right, you want to go ahead and try that and tell me what you think?
I do. Yeah, that's super good. Kind of a light cream of some kind, right?
Like
right
a mousse.
For a mousse, yeah. Maybe a raspberry-ish kind of flavor.
Yeah, it's very citrusy.
Yeah, this is it. Do it again. It's you know, it's a small dessert, but you know, it's a sweet dessert, so you don't want to overdo it anyway.
I've got to keep my eye on this bird down here because he's got his eye on my cake. Uh-oh, gonna be a bird fight.
Yep,
So, what did he start?
Got any more for me? Hello.
All right, so back to the cake.
Well, back to the cake.
Let me see the inside of that.
It's a nice yellow cake with the citrusy flavored whatever.
It's kind of moussey.
Yeah, kind of moussey. The frosting is almost like a floral. It's real smooth and shiny looking.
It's super smooth. I love the texture of it.
But it's decorated nice. Kind of Mickey Mouse ears almost. Yeah. Totally good. I totally did it for you.
How much was it? Was like
$6.29.
something like that? Okay. See, I'm terrible at looking at prices. I don't look at prices. I should, but I just don't.
And then we got a bottle of water and a Coke, I believe.
Yeah, we each got one of these Constance cakes.
So, with tax, it was $21.37 with tax with our drinks.
Because we each got one of these. And then he wanted a Coke, but I knew he'd want a water later on, so I just went ahead and got one anyway. I'm going to test drive my piece of cake now. Oh, here, let me do this. You probably can't even see my eyes. It's my turn.
I know, right? Pretty super.
Ooh, it smells good. Wow, that does smell good. I like this coating. I don't know what this stuff is, but it's kind of fun. I love it. Love, love, love it. Gary and I had this last year when we were at the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, and it was phenomenal. So I had to have Joe try it.
Yeah, it's totally good. This is totally do it again on another trip.
It's super light and airy. This, I think, is some sort of a mousse. Very, very light. It literally, like, just melts, dissolves in your mouth. It's amazing. Amazing. And then there's a light cake that's in the center. This is one I would say I would definitely do it again, but that's kind of obvious since I've had it before. So good.
For me, it's a total do it again, and it's the first time I've had it.
This was over at the Liberty Square Market this time. So over where you buy all the fresh fruit and stuff. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Love this. And I'm so glad I bought us each one so that I could have one of my own.
There's some things you just don't want to share in life.
This is one of them. That Constance wedding cake is so amazing. I would definitely recommend it to anybody. That is amazing. If you're new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe and ring bell notifications so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. Also, please check out some of our other great videos we have on the Disney parks, the rides, resorts, resort rooms, Skyliner rides, day trips, car shows. We've got so many great videos I think you're going to love. Thank you so much for watching.